Forecast sheets are another Excel tool used for modeling data and forecasting future values. One advantage of forecast sheets is that they can be used to analyze seasonal data, in which the values follow a periodic pattern throughout the calendar year. I want to create a forecast sheet to track the seasonal changes in monthly revenue and project next year monthly revenue. Click Data tab. In Forecast group, click Forecast Sheet. The Create Forecast Worksheet dialog box opens, showing a preview of the forecasted values. This trend is called forecasted trend. This is lower confidence bound and this is upper confidence bound. The values from 1st January 2010 to 1st December 2010 are called observed values, and the values from 1st January 2011 to 1st March 2011 are called projected values. Excel uses 1 year of monthly revenue figures to project the revenue trend up to March 1, 2011. The trend is bracketed by upper and lower confidence bounds, which provide a measure of the uncertainty of the forecast. The default is to create 95% confidence intervals, indicating a region in which one is 95% confident that the actual values will appear. The fact that the upper and lower bounds are so far apart indicates a large measure of uncertainty in the estimate of each month revenue. However, I can see that the values of revenue are increasing continuously in each month. To create a seasonal forecast of the monthly revenue, click Options button. In the Seasonality group, check the Set Manually option button. Type 12 in this box. This specifies a seasonal pattern that will repeat itself every 12 months. In the Forecast End box, change the date to 1st December 2011 to forecast a complete year worth of monthly revenue. When the revenue follows a seasonal pattern, the confidence bands are much smaller than when no seasonality was assumed. Select this button, then select this button. Select 1st December 2011. The size of confidence bounds is already set 95%. Then click Create button. Click Got it. The forecast worksheet is added to the workbook. Rename this worksheet Monthly Revenue Forecast. Double click. Type Monthly Revenue Forecast. Press Enter key. Resize the forecast chart to cover the range. Scroll to the bottom of the worksheet to view the forecasted revenue for the next 12 months, as well as the lower and upper confidence bounds on those estimates. This revenue is called projected monthly revenue. These values are upper 95% confidence values and these values are low 95% confidence values. From the forecasted values, I projects the December 2011 revenue to be about $51,391 and is 95% confident that the revenue will be at least $96,675 but not more than $141,960. I have completed the revenue estimates and projections using data retrieved with the query editor. In the next section, I will perform analyses that involve combining data from several data sources.